Hey everyone, it's Gus Activa, and today we will be doing an interview in English. But before we start, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. So in this interview, I'm going to be the boss, and I will be interviewing you for a job at a clothing store. A clothing store, a place where they sell shirts, pants, maybe belts. So on the side of me, I will put up a script that you and I will be reading from. My words will be in red and your words will be in green. But first, I'm going to read everything so that you will understand the pronunciation so that you can do a great job when it's your turn. So let's get into it. So, are we ready? Listen. I'm going to start off and say, hello. Thank you for coming in today. How are you? You will say, I'm doing well. Thank you. How are you? I will say, I'm good. Thank you. Can you tell me your name and a little about yourself? Your turn. You would say, my name is, for example, let me say, my name is Jake. My name is Jake, and I like working with people. I am friendly and responsible. My turn. Nice. Why do you want to work at this clothing store? You will say, I like fashion and I enjoy helping customers. I also like working in a team. I will say, do you have experience working in a store or with customers? You will say, yes, I have experience helping customers and organizing products. I will say, what days and hours are you available to work? You will say, I am available during the week and on weekends. I am flexible. I will say, great. Do you have any questions for me? You will say, yes. What does a normal workday look like? I will say, you will help customers, organize clothes, and work with the team. Do you have any other questions? You will say, nope, that is all. Thank you for this interview. I will say, thank you for coming, and we will contact you soon. See, that wasn't that bad. And now it's your turn. Don't feel too much pressure. Just let the words roll as you read. Take your time, speak out loud and clear, and try your best. Ready? I'll start in 3, 2, 1. Hello, thank you for coming in today. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Can you tell me your name and a little about yourself? Nice. Why do you want to work at this clothing store? Do you have any experience working in a store with customers? What days and hours are you available to work? Great. Do you have any questions for me? You will help customers, organize clothes, and work with a team. Do you have any other questions? Thank you for coming, and we will contact you soon. I just realized I threw in an extra and before, and we will contact you. What is it? Anyways, you did a great job. Thank you guys for participating. I recommend that you watch this interview or do the interview about 2 to 3 times so you can build the confidence in an interview and with your English. Now, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.